this in the regular Band-Aid section. This is the Be Cool soft gel sheets, and it looks like the little boy puts them on his head. It's Mickey Mouse. And what is this? Oh, it's relief from a fever. Super cute. Again, it's Mickey Mouse, so you can't go wrong. And it comes with 4 of them, 4 sheets, and it lasts up to 8 hours. I know you guys can see that price. Let me show you the UPC. All right, and you guys can see that it's only $1. It was $2.97. All right, so if this is something you guys are looking for, again, this is the Be Cool with the Mickey Mouse, and that's what it looks like. And it's only $1 at Walmart. This right here is Nose Frida, and it's for stuffy nose. I have no clue what this is. What is that? The snot sucker?
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's like those things that they give you at the hospital.
The old school green things that was just terrible.
Yeah, terrible. But these are for babies. So if you guys need to clean the baby's nose, it's like that little snot sucker thing. It's like a suction cup.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they have these at Walmart for stuffy noses. This is for babies. Here's the back. And I'm going to show you the UPC.
Don't forget, this is flu season is coming up in the next month or so.
Yes, stock up today, you guys, because kids are going to be getting sick for flu season. So these are only $1.50. They were $3.13. So these are the 2 that you guys need to be looking for, $1 and $1.50.
All right, take a look at what we found. This is the Zumo Fly It, Catch It, Pass It disc launcher set. And I have been waiting for this, you guys, for almost 2 years.
How excited are you?
Super excited.
Super. For 2 years, you guys, every time we walk into a Walmart, he would scan these things. And they will always scan up $15.88. But today, Manny got lucky.
I did get lucky. So in the middle of this, we might throw in your angel clearance dance.
Oh, boom, boom?
Not a boom. Boom.
Okay, boom. Boom, boom.
Anyway.
Well, we gotta scan it first before we do the boom.
All right, we'll do the boom. All right. Anyway, so this is a 2-pack set, and if you don't know what it is, take a look on the inside. You'll see the little disc inside. So it has 2 triggers, and basically your 2 kids can shoot it from one to the other. Hear that? So it'll launch it to one of them, and then the other one catches it and launches it back. This is an amazing toy. I've played with it. It's fun.
Many times, you guys. And this is again called Zumo. Is that Zumo?
Zumo, yeah.
Zumo, and it's a 2-pack set. It says 5+, and it says try a fly. So if you guys can see, that's what it looks like. So 2 kids are catching it back and forth. And you want to show them the UPC? All right. So again, these are easy to spot, you guys. This is what you guys need to look for. And if you guys see it, make sure you guys get your Walmart app and you scan. Here's the UPC. And again, these were not marked. These were all hidden clearance. We found these at the back of the store, and these were not in clearance. So if you guys see them in the back of the store near the electronics, that's where we found them. And this is all hidden clearance.
So a lot of times they may still be in the toy aisle as well because they don't know to put it in the clearance aisle. So, but anyway, normally they can run about $15.88 all the time. So let me show you what it's looking like today.
And you guys have to run to Walmart.
Let me brighten it because you're gonna.
Yes, your screen is always super dark.
All right, so here we go.
All right. Look at that, you guys. Zoom disc launcher set with catch net, $4.
Boom.
$4. Oh, here, you say it. Say it. You know you want to say it?
No,
I'll say it for you. Boom, boom, boom. $4, you guys. All right, so we're gonna show you the next find that we found. All right.
So this is the Playday Rainbow Glitter Float.
Look how cute that is.
I guess it's glittery.
You guys can see the glitter right here through the hole. And again, this is Playday, you guys. This is the Rainbow Glitter Float. This is what it looks like, and it says 6 feet 5 inches long, and the glitter sparkles inside.
So great time to get, again, summer items. We talked about summer items in the previous video, but this is a great time to get it. Let me show you the UPC here.
All right, So you guys could take a screenshot of the UPC. And again, that's what you guys are going to be looking for. And again, this item right here, hidden clearance, not marked at all. And we decided to scan.
I don't remember the regular price. I don't know if you do, but I think it was about 14, 12, 14, 15.
About $14.99. You guys, we had to throw this stuff in our cart because it got really loud and really crowded over there. And we didn't want the loud music in the video, so we had to grab a bunch of stuff that we were going to purchase, throw it in the cart, do a sneak peek at our cart, and we had to bring it over here because over here it's quiet.
Yeah. So take a look. Clearance, $4, you guys. You will not find this size float for $4 anywhere.
Okay, and this one says the Playday Inflatable Glitter Sparkles Rainbow Float, $4. So that's about I think it was $14.99. So what is that? 80, 75?
Oh, there you go. Yep. $14.86. This is the online price right there.
Okay, so this is the regular price, you guys. And in store, it's $4. So you guys have to run. That's a great deal.
All right, so this is the Fiesta Skull Island floaty, and this is a H2O Go. So this is a big brand right here. I've sold a couple of different things of this, so it's a good brand. People buy it a lot, and it's kind of expensive. I think this one here was about $15 as well, or more.
And look at this, you guys. He's sitting on it. Looks like a skeleton face. That's super cute. And again, this is the Fiesta Skull Island. And it says one lounge. Here's the size right here, you guys. 6 feet by 4 inches, just in case. And is there anything on the back? Oh, they got the girl on the back. And the UPC.
There you go.
There's the UPC. And again, this is more hidden clearance because it was not marked.
Take a look here.
Look at that, $4. H2O Go Skull Island. This is a lounge, and again, this is 6 feet by 4 inches.
Now, again, this is something you will not find $4 floats.
And it's pretty big too.
It's enormous. 6 foot. Look at that. Regular price of this is $23.
For real?
$23.90.
Okay, let's show you guys the regular price. Okay, so that's the regular price, and that's the price it was showing over in that section. $23.90 down to $4. You can't beat it. All right, we found another clearance item, if you guys can believe it. I mean, we're getting so lucky today. This is the Playday Bubbles to Go, and my husband doesn't want to get these. Why not?
It's worthless to me.
If you guys have kids, you guys gotta definitely get these. All right, so I'm going to show you what they are. This is a pink one. This is Playday Bubbles to Go. And it says stand-up pouch. It's 4 fluid ounces. Look how cute it is. So I guess it just stands up. It has the wand inside. I'm going to show you the UPC. The UPC is the same number on all different colors, or all the 3 different colors. It's the same number. So I'm just going to show you one. So that's the pink. This one right here is the blue. Right, and they also have the green. You guys are not going to believe how much these are. I'm buying them. Sorry. We got bored kids at home. We got a backyard. Kids love bubbles. This says ages 3+. And do you have your phone?
Yeah.
You still not ready?
I didn't want them, so what would I scan them for?
You guys cannot beat this price. This is probably the cheapest price we found in a while. You ready? Okay, so I'm gonna hold it up for him. Got it? Look at that, you guys. Playday Bubbles on the Go. 10 cents. Oh, it says 1 pack. 10 cents. 10 cents.
Yeah, that's a good.
How can you leave these for 10 cents?
Great price, great toy for kids. Our kids ain't gonna play with no bubbles.
Well, they gonna play with 10-cent bubbles.
Yeah.
And you know what? You got a lot of nieces and nephews, so this is great for them. Sorry, it's only 10 cents. It's not going to break our bank. So we're definitely getting these, and we're just going to take the whole stand, set it up, and we're just going to give them away. Neighbors, we'll give them to the kids. We can always donate these to the school. We could do something for 10 cents. You guys cannot leave these here. So let us know below if you guys score these Bubbles to Go by Playday for only 10 cents.